Going with some rum.
Oh! Wagwan everybody. In this episode, we're going to be trying something unique, something I've never ever tried before. We're actually in Portmore and we'll link up with one of the most creative chefs in the entire Jamaica, Rameish Desouza, and we're going to get something on the menu to the way out of this world, and we can't wait to try it. And the nicest part of this, we're actually going on a rooftop to cook. So the kitchen is on the rooftop and can't wait to share this with you. Something crazy is going to be on the menu, something I've never tried. I'm here with Matt from Ross Kitchen, and he's going to be trying what will be on the menu for today, and it's just crazy, authentic vibes. We're actually going on the roof right now. Here's the ladder, and the kitchen is actually on the rooftop, and we're gonna head up to the roof and see what I'm going. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Crazy.
It's getting real legit in here. Super legit day. It's gonna be crazy. So
on the roof, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Kitchen on the roof.
Safety first.
We're gonna head up on the roof and see what the chef are dealing with. Yeah, man.
Woohoo! Keeping it real.
We are a big climber, man.
Sweating already. It's gonna be a nice one today.
Oh yes, man. Crazy. Beautiful sunny day here in Portmore, and there's a kitchen behind me. Rameish is inside. We're gonna see what I prepare on the menu today. It's as I said, something crazy. I've never tried it before, but today we're gonna try that. Ooh, the kitchen have a vibe. Yo, what's on the menu today, bro?
So on the menu today we got rice and peas rum punch with some banana tree and ackee.
Yeah. Banana. Oh yes, that's the
banana tree right and ackee. So see the banana tree here? Yeah?
Nice.
We have two guests and we are going to prepare a stamp, something creative.
Oh.
First now see this down alive. Oh yeah.
Nice. Bro, we are cooking at the sky, you know.
Cook. Hey. Yeah. Oh, stop cooking.
Crazy. I have some banana right here, some rice, a lot of seasoning, sugar, dragon stout, supplement. Oh yeah, crazy vibes. That cabbage right here, nutmeg, ackee. You know, ackee are the boss signature fruit, and the great Ray and nephew can't leave out this out of the punch. The vibe on the rooftop, man. We're in Portmore on top of the roof. Kitchen is over there. It's just a vibe. We're cooking in the sky today. Actually stoked to try some of that banana tree. You know that the chef say that basically have like a pop chow cabbage kind of vibe to it, and that's going to be cooked up with the ackee, I think. So kind of amazing. Sounds good. Can't wait to try it. And yo, that rum punch. We're also going to have rice and peas rum punch. Rice and peas rum punch. That's going to be cooked separate. The rice is going to be cooked separate from the peas, and then you know all of that just mixed together with all of that dragon stout and that supplement, and can't wait. And peas actually there on the fire already. I go and set clean and thing. And this is crazy. This is something different, unique. I will link up with the top chef, most creative. Wow, on the rooftop. Look on this. Yeah man, vibes. The real Jamaican vibes. Live coal in a fresh coal. Yeah. Easy ketchup.
Alright, so this is the rice for rice and peas rum punch. It would be good if you cook the rice for the punch more soft than usual. So we'll be cooking saggy rice today.
Saggy rice.
Saggy rice. So after we cook it, we'll be using it to make the rice and peas rum punch. So you know about that start.
So any kind of rice, Rameish? Like standard shelly rice?
I would
good to go?
recommend white rice instead of brown rice because brown rice is more, what would I call it? It's more gummy.
Yeah.
Brown rice is more chewy.
So you said the older the better, yeah?
Yeah, the older the better. The deeper we go, the softer inside will be. Just a friendly reminder, we'll be cooking ackee and banana tree. Ackee and banana tree feed. So this is the end. We've been resting this on the floor all over so we can just cut off the end and throw it away. Alright, we're gonna go a bit deeper. Yeah, out here is still kind of thick. We want the softest part of it, so we'll go deeper. We'll cut that, chip it down some more.
Oh, it sounds so
Just
crunchy.
like that.
Yeah, it looks like a
Let's
palm
see
heart.
further we go, the more softer it is. Look at that. Alright,
There we go.
Oh yeah.
so
Oh yeah.
this is it.
Oh,
This is what we're looking for.
one roll of cottage paper.
What you want?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Whoa. Whoa.
It's fresh, it's pretty fresh, and I'm gonna let you guys taste it right after I clean up some of it. Yeah,
Oh man.
fresh, pretty fresh. Let me just give it a next cut. Easier.
so Rameish, I'm kind of surprised that the old ones are better eating.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Because you would think the young ones
Because
would
you
be
see
nice.
the young
and-
ones,
yeah.
the young ones, they're really thin.
Okay.
And you see when we're cleaning it, we need to take off this part. The stringy part,
Yeah.
we need to peel off the stringy part right here. Like callaloo. See that?
Oh.
This part, if you don't peel off this part, it's gonna be really trashy. So we need to peel off this part. So you see the young ones don't have anything to peel off. So it's just real thin. You can't get anything out of the young one. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to peel it. Peel it just like that. All that trash. And the banana tree is a thing like the banana itself, if you leave it out water too long, it will get black.
Okay.
So while we're cleaning it, we'll be putting it in water.
Rice. Basically ready up there now.
Nice and soggy.
You would I eat some of that right now, man. Just as it is. All of this are for the ackee.
All of these are for the ackee and banana tree.
Nice.
Or banana tree and ackee.
Banana tree, the right? Just going wasting of the water. Nice.
Just I put this aside for now. Yeah. Same cutting board, we are just chop up a banana tree same time. For the water for the ackee. So I add a little bit of salt in there. And boil the ackee same time.
It shrink?
No.
Oh.
It don't shrink. Right, the ackee is ready. Right now, just a drain off the water.
Nice.
To the ackee here. Splashing.
One of your favorite.
Yeah,
Nice.
one of my favorite. Right now we add the vegetable. Yeah. Give it a little stir fry. Nice and proper. So when this actually starts frying, we're going to add the banana tree.
Oh, you add it before the ackee.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wow.
the ackee is the last thing we're going to add.
Nice.
Yeah. And this is definitely one of my favorite parts when cooking. When just adding the vegetables to the pot because that smell can't get old.
Yeah, for real. Wow. That when that sweet pepper smell lick you, man.
Yeah, real good.
Wow.
Let that baby go and fry.
So see that mix up can in the pot in the oil now can get that little saute vibes. That sweet pepper, you know, scallion, thyme, onion, all of that goodies can in the oil now can get that little soft note vibe, steam long vibe, and then that banana tree I go add to that, and then the ackee. Can't wait to taste this, man. We're on the rooftop and it's a vibe up here. Yeah, man, real way.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Whoa!
Chef's favorite.
That's my favorite cereal. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Addicted. Alright. Right about now, we're gonna go ahead and add the banana tree. Just like that. Like the other vegetables, this really don't take a lot of time to cook. Yeah. But instead of frying everything one time, I want to like get those vegetables nice and soft. Nice and sauté before adding the banana tree. And right now, we're going into the steaming process. Mix that baby up. Nice and proper. Right about now, we're gonna season this pot. Banana tree. So, I even curried this before. Do a video of me currying it.
Oh, the banana tree?
Yeah, the curry banana tree.
Wow.
And ate it with some mint roti. Tastes super good. In this case, if we add a little bit, the pot not gonna taste like ram goat. But basically, anything you add this to like boosts a ram goat flavor.
Nice.
So we use a little bit because I like how it tastes. It give me like an all-purpose vibe.
Nice.
It tastes real good. You see, if you cook soup, this definitely turn up the flavor. You see, if you have chicken foot soup you cook, you add this, it's gonna taste like a goat soup. Literally. It's most powerful in liquid, like in soup. I'm going with the ram goat booster, just like that.
Little vibe of garlic powder, you know that? Nice.
Can never go wrong with garlics.
Yeah.
Keeps vampires away.
Right.
Tastes good.
Very last thing we're going to add is black pepper. We're going to add the black pepper right after we add the ackee. This right here is some all-purpose.
Nice.
All-purpose season.
Can't go wrong with some Maggi all-purpose in a bro.
Yeah.
Every single thing, you know.
Like jury one pot.
Nice.
Can't live for the all-purpose.
Oh God, man. Oh yeah, you could not make vibe also.
And what do they call nutmeg in Jamaica again?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
It doesn't take a long time to cook. You look at it, it's beginning to change color.
Yeah.
It's nice and soft.
Same process as we say like a cabbage pop chow vibe.
Yeah, like
yeah. So it take a long time.
Yeah.
Oh, that look real good. Like it can actually eat
Coming together
just like that.
so quick.
Yeah, you can eat it just like this.
Ooh.
But one more thing we're going to add is the ackee.
Nice. Yes.
The scent is coming together so nicely right now. All those different spices blending, melding, the oiliness. all the vegetable juice simmering down, steaming.
Oh.
Definitely tastes
banana
like cabbage.
vibe. Crazy.
Whoa.
Definitely tastes like cabbage.
Ho ho. Gotta get a touch of this before the ackee. Oh, quick and fast.
Like fire.
Woo.
Peter.
Woo. Vibes. Yo, you sure this is not a pop chow, bro?
Tastes like pop chow, yeah.
Yo, this is literally like.
Right now,
Ooh.
end part.
At the ackee time, ackee. Ho ho ho, yes. Nice. So the ackee just add to that, and yo, that seasoning, it giving it that crunchy vibe like a cabbage pop chow kind of vibe. Yo, it's just crazy. Now the ackee gone in, look a black pepper, look a jerk seasoning. Crazy, unique way of cooking the banana tree.
Quick. And
Yeah,
like you
man.
said,
It actually changed color on its own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, that look good, brother. That look real good, man.
Absolutely.
Wow. Just like this. We got nice, perfect ackee. The ackee them not broke down.
Yeah, them
Everything
not crush.
nice and perfectly cooked.
Nice.
I just cover this baby and give it like a next 5 more minutes.
Ho 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 ho. Keep 'em well steamed up.
Just like that, the dough is complete.
So we're getting some roti on the side. That's a vibe here. Crazy vibes on top of the roof. Yeah, man.
Dust the surface like that. Now we're rolling. Grease the pot.
Yeah. I'm having problems with this camera today. It doesn't like switch batteries. I don't know what's the problem.
Just add that roti.
Oh yeah, some simple roti technique right there.
Favorite thing to see at the air bubbles.
Ho ho ho.
So all of this you see right here will be crisp. Roti crisp.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Nice save.
Yes, I can.
Ho ho ho. Roti coming on nice. That ackee and banana tree finish and the right is going to simmer down. That's the vibe here. Banana for the punch. Ho ho ho. Oh yes, we're getting there, man. So the ackee with the banana tree, that fully finished. We see that roti finish, and yo, the place smells so good. And right now the rice and peas rum punch I got prepared. You know, the rice actually cooked different from the peas, and we can see all of the ingredients right there. We can see some dragon, dragon stout, the supplicant, the sugar, the vanilla. When all of that mix up, crazy vibes. And we're gonna catch that process right now because that I could blend up right now in the blender. Oh yes, man.
I'll go ahead with the peas in the blender. Right now we are making the rice and peas rum punch.
World first.
World first.
Claiming it.
Well, not the world first because I made it like 2 times before.
Okay.
But yeah, original recipe.
World's third.
First time on Ras Kitchen, first time on Yard Life's Good.
Crazy, man. Yeah, man. Rice and peas rum punch. Ho.
So the dragon stout.
Can I use a knife, but the dragon really hard, man, you know.
We're gonna blend the stout with the peas.
Ooh, that smell.
I said it
I'd
before,
drink it.
that's what I actually was gonna say.
Yo.
The smell of the peas and the
Just
stout,
the
it
peas
just
and the stout
smells so
alone.
distinct and really good. I like it.
Nice, that smells so good already. Oh yeah.
So it's kind of the nice stout there.
So this is the peas and the stout.
Finely blended.
Ho, 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 ho. Oh yeah, the rice. Oh,
Now
first
this is
time.
the rice in the blender. There it is.
First time seeing rice in a blender.
Now we're gonna add the protein shake.
Oh.
Yeah, 2 protein shake. We're using Suppergen for this one.
Yeah, this smells so good, man.
It's got a nice vanilla scent. It's healthy, man. It's got stout. It's gonna have rum, but it's gonna be healthy.
Oh yeah.
Vanilla. Just like that. Going with some rum.
Oh! Yo, actually thought it was everything.
Rice and peas rum punch. We got to use a decent amount of rum, right?
Absolutely.
Salt.
Right here we got the salt.
Nice.
Salt is an interesting one for this. I wouldn't have expected to add salt.
Yeah, I mean it's
Yeah.
milk. Normally
Yeah,
in Jamaica, anything with milk, yeah,
you do add to counter
tip
it,
a
okay.
little salt in it, yeah.
Cool. I figured there's some chemistry chef knowledge that I'm
Banana.
unaware of.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, banana tea. Dude, this is a pre or post workout drink.
Oh yeah.
Or pre or
Oh,
post
yeah.
party drink.
Just like that. Next thing we're gonna add is the condensed milk.
Also known as Betty
Sometimes
milk.
we blend it. And it's not too sweet, it's not sweet to our liking. That's why we always add. That's why I always add
A little sugar.
a little sugar and stand by just in case. But in this
Nice.
case we're not making a big batch.
So the
pretty
milk,
easy
so the
to
milk will
measure.
do.
Yeah, the milk will
Basically,
do.
nice.
Yeah, Betty's pretty
Alright,
sweet.
let's see.
Sweet on its own.
It's coming on so good. This smells so good. Just the peas, the boiled peas and the dragon stout alone. I give you a vibe. Ho, 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 crazy.
I'm gonna link the Instagram, Facebook, YouTube below, whatever you're into, and same with me. That's good. Do not miss that step. So Betty milk, condensed milk, sweet milk.
Use a little
Yeah.
water to rinse out the
Yeah,
excess
the
milk.
really hard man them now waste the milk, you know.
Rinse out the excess milk.
After rinse out a little. Nice. Yeah, this is going to be so good, man. I can't wait. Oh, nice.
Oh, we're also gonna add just a little bit of water. Just a little bit.
Nice.
One day me have no cup.
Ho, 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 ho.
I'm gonna do a second show.
Okay. Whoa, that smells really different now than compared to the first part.
Now combine the rice mixture and the peas mixture. Just like that, everything coming together. Nice and properly.
Yeah, this looks like
Oh. Oh, me not wait for this. Me not wait for this.
Want any sugar?
No sugar.
No sugar?
No sugar. This is
that's
this.
perfectly sweet for me.
Yeah, that's literally that's the vibe. It's not fresh and it's not sweet. Oh, that tastes so good. Oh yes.
Run it through a sieve. Just like that.
Nice.
Pretty good. Nice blend. I don't see too many lumpy, chunky stuff in there. Smooth.
Perfectly blend. Yeah.
Nice. No lumps.
Barely get any
Barely.
lumps.
Barely.
Barely.
Man, that tastes so good, man.
This
That
is
tastes
basically
so
I'm feeling
good.
it.
Yeah, this is basically ready.
Ready.
Just want some ice, 2 cup.
Ho,
That's
ho,
it.
ho.
So right now
Wow.
we are gonna share everything. Just stay tuned and look what I go on.
Nice. Ho, 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 ho. Oh yes. This is the vibe. This is more stuff I come. We're on the house stuff and crazy vibes. Look on this. Oh yes, respect. Oh, yo, this is crazy. This is crazy. Man, not going out there. Not going out there. This is the rice and peas rum punch. We see the whole process of this, the entire process, and whoa. This is the lick. This is the lick. This rum punch is this rum punch literally is out of this world. The taste at this and the texture. Crazy vibes. Now, let's go into this roti. Ho, ho, ho. It's going on the roti with this banana tree. This is crazy. This is the first time at like literally this is so unique that yo, remember me tell you. Oh, let's go right in this roti. We see this simple flour, little vanilla vibe, salt and just oh my god, just dropping at that oil. Ho, ho, ho. Oh.
Alright, rice and punch is absolutely insane. A classic Jamaican
Roti vibe.
rice and peas together. And punch.
Oh yeah.
Never
That
seen
vanilla
one.
giving it
Thought
that
about
that
Jamaican
sweet
classic blended
vibe.
into a drink with all kinds of eucalyptus, nice and icy, refreshing, not too sweet. So many
Just the roti alone.
mixed together.
Just the roti alone actually giving you that vibe. Whoa. Bro. Yo, this roti, bro. Just the roti alone is giving you a vibe. Wow. Rice and peas, rum punch. Yo, this is one of the wickedest things you ever create, bro. Rice and peas, rum punch. We need a buckle for care of or something, bro. Can't leave out when I get some ice.
You got a fork or you doing it hand style?
Nah, just Jamaican style, and yeah man,
Right, okay.
yeah man, real vibe.
Alright,
Wow.
so yeah, here's the rum punch.
Let's go into this ackee.
Rice and peas.
Go into the ackee with
Jamaican
the banana tree.
in a
Can
drink
get
format.
silk like the banana tree right there.
Yeah. Certainly my first
Don't want
time.
to fingers if them black out actually taking up some of the coal fire. Crazy vibe. You get some of
Surprisingly,
this
it doesn't
ackee.
taste overpoweringly like
This
rice
carrot.
or peas. It's a nice, cool, refreshing drink.
Wow.
Healthiness too. All the nice spices mixed together. I don't
Whoa.
even really taste that much rum actually. I could probably triple the rum up and be okay. Although this is probably a healthier version. So yeah, this is a wild
This
drink.
tastes so good. Wow.
So here's our plate here, roti style. Nice banana.
This literally tastes so
Salad.
good. Oh, wow. That ackee with the banana tree.
Bit of roti,
Can't go wrong.
banana all together.
Oh yeah.
This is crazy, man.
Yo.
Unbelievable.
How's that rum? How's that rice and peas punch?
The rice and peas punch, you could triple the rum up for me and I'd be happy. I'm fine, I didn't taste much rum, but I mean, that's actually nice.
Nice.
But yeah, it's amazing. This roti is so nice and chewy and tender, and I think it's one of those
sweet vibe also. Yeah.
And it might be one of those things though where Rameish makes it look easy, but if you try it yourself, it might not be so easy. He whipped it up in just minutes, but
Definitely, man, definitely.
I think it's one of those things where this true skill shine through.
Nice.
So I want to try this one and see how it goes. But yeah, everything is so nice, so tasty, man. Thank you, Mick, for hooking this up. Look at the style too. Whoa.
Whoa. Well, I mean, I know that the inside the banana, the trunk, it's edible, but I've never tried. Once this is the first time trying this, and my mom tell you, it tastes so good. See if you can get a good chunk amount of the banana itself. Oh, this is the vibe. We're on the roof cooking, and this is what we came up with. Rice and peas rum punch,
If I had to compare
banana
the
tree
banana to
with
something,
ackee.
I'd almost compare
Eating
it
this
to,
banana tree, you're getting that
It's not quite
cabbage
cabbage
vibe.
to me because it doesn't have that crunch. It becomes quite soft. So maybe the soft part, the ridge or stem.
You're getting
of the callaloo, something
that
like
capsule vibe. Anything that's green where you can steam, you're getting that vibe from the banana.
Still very nice. A very subtle kind of flavor.
Wow.
But
Crazy vibe
all
on the
the
roof,
herbs and
man.
spices in here just
I'll
make
also
it
get
super nice.
some cabbage and some
Yeah,
carrots.
it's definitely something I hope to see it more. Or spreading these unique kind of food vibes in a place where it's not as typical to eat, but very common, and there's a lot of banana plants around.
So burrata vibes. I know the burrata thing. The burrata thing this.
Burrata.
But yeah.
Onions.
Yeah. Oh my god, so it's so crazy, man. Respect for having me, bro. This was a crazy, unique menu, bro.
Yeah, man, bless
Crazy,
up.
crazy vibes.
I always enjoy sharing my creativity, you know?
Natural vibes. And as you can see, can't leave without loading up the buckles. We're actually getting some more of this rum punch for carry on the way. Rice and peas rum punch, to be exact. That's the vibe in Jamaica. Yeah, man. In Portmore, and Rameish house top, we actually cooked on the house top, and that bring off the whole vibe also. The kitchen is on the house top, and we have a vibe up here. It was a blast. That food was great. Rice and peas rum punch, crazy out of this world. Check out Rami's channel, check out Ras Kitchen, crazy channels. Wanna know the vibes, yard life.